Honorable Speaker, if you will allow me to call you so.
Yes.
My total net worth is 156 million Kenya shillings.
Segregated as?
It largely comprises of immovable assets. I have 3 homes, one in Nairobi, one in Narok town, and another one in my village. Motor vehicles. I have apartments in Narok and also one in Nairobi. Plots of land, 2 in Kitengela, and also dairy business, and my shares from the Parliamentary Cooperative Society, Pakoso.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So what are your current and anticipated sources of income?
At the moment,